Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just open the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, let's use this one. And now just to add the widget, we should hold for a while our screen with the finger, and after that we'll see here the widgets icon. Click here once and now we can see here all the available widgets which we can add to our device home screen. For example, we can use the calendar, schedule or month view. Let's use the schedule. Just click it once to this widget, and after that you can see the widget on your device home screen. If you wanna just resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. Just to move widget here on the screen, you should hold it, and after that drag it. Also, we can move widgets between the screens, and we can create the new screens with a widget by the same way. Just hold and drag it. And just to remove it from the home screen, you should hold it and then click here to delete icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.